I told you when it's PM, it's afternoon PM. But starting 12 midnight to afternoon again in the morning. Basta mauna na siya. Muna na, gets na ni mo. Ay, kapon! Mommy don't know how to explain. So, I'm going to bed na, guys. Because look at my eyes. See, nagmata. I'm done. I'm tired.
Okay, I'll do it by myself then. So, everyone, this says... So, this one might be a hard one, but it says... La... So, sometimes the E makes no noise. They just have an E. Sometimes that, so it says... You're right. It says love. And then after that, you're going to do this one. Ooh. So, and this N makes and then O makes So, no. Then guess it. You're right. It's no. And then this one might be a hard one, but you will get it. Yeah. Yes. Now, that's right. It says mommy. Now I'm gonna tell you this one. It says yeah. Ooh. You're right. It says you. Now we're gonna do another one. Cam. Now guess. You're right. It says cam. Now we're gonna go on to the second row. After this row, we're gonna play a little reading game. So, you are going to do this one. D-A-D-E. You're right. It says daddy. So, I'm going to...
Are you going to sleep alone tonight, or I'm going to in daddy's bedroom and you sleep here alone?
I sleep here alone.
You want to sleep here alone? Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't think so. You'll be able to sleep alone.
Okay, guys, so I don't know what to say, so it's mommy's turn.
You don't know
I
what to
don't
say?
know what to say. I don't know what to say.
Just say,
Mega love! Shout out to everyone!
funny.
Mommy, tomorrow after school, can we have a picnic?
A picnic?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
Not the playground, but it was a park, only grass and picnic tables.
Picnic tables. Why do you want to go there?
Because I want to have a picnic because it's getting summer again. But we're going to drive there, not walk.
Oh, we have to walk.
Why?
Because it's not drivable. It's drivable.
I don't know what to say. Yeah, I have school tomorrow, so.
You have school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Do you like school?
A little bit.
Why is it only a little bit?
I don't know.
So-
Because we do morning meeting, and then we do discovery, and then snack, and then book time, and then journals, and then lunch, and then we do
Daghan po na mong dudu eh.
and then we do recess again, and then we do discovery again, and then we do home time.
Why don't you like school though?
I only like a little bit, like.
Dapat mo sige kag storya Bisaya kag sige para nigulay nimo sa Pilipinas. Hindi ka
I only
maglisod.
like school this much.
No, I'm telling you to learn Bisaya. Smile. Smile.
I'm gonna fart.
I'm gonna fart. You're gonna fart? Makautot ka sa man yun. Basta man eh. Sige na. Mag-smile na kay picture.
not? Can you turn it off?
No, what would you say? What were you trying to say?
We're done doing it.
Okay.
So we're done?
So done? You say bye-bye, guys. You didn't say bye-bye yet.
Yeah, I say. Okay, my brain is getting distracted.
Your brain's still getting distracted. Nga naman na.
Because you're making me laugh. My brain is getting distracted.
I'm not making you laugh.
Okay.
Mm.
So guys, we're done this video, and subscribe and hit the bell button.
I thought you're not going to let them subscribe yet.
And then if you're not gonna watch our videos, then don't subscribe. And bye, guys.